So here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. And these are all the keyboards templates that you can use for your keyboard as well. To pretty much get any one of these styles, not just the new year option. And as you can see, you have the log option flows. You can just swipe across at the top here, see all the categories as it relates to keyboards. You can see your anime option here. You can see all types of keyboard styles as well. Then see for the sports option here, not much, very few, but I do recommend them to add more so you guys can get more options to choose from. Also, you have this fonts, which you can use as it relates to the words on your keyboard. You can also change that as well by just tapping on any one of these and just applying it. Once you have done that, it will pretty much change. And also you have the decorate text as well. You can use these as well. All you have to do is just enter what you want here, and you can take any one of these. Let's say, for example, you want to use this one down here. Just tap on the copy option and use the text for whichever means you want to use it to do. Also, you have the text emoji as well. You can also do that as well. You have the bio option here. As you can see, you can add for a bio. If you're going to do TikTok, Instagram, any one of those, you have bio here, which you can find as well. Or you can tap on the copy icon here, and also you can tap on the pen icon here to pretty much give it a little edit. So nothing much for that section here. Also, you have the number section here, which you can also edit the numbers. So you can scroll and see other edits or text styles, which you can use as well. Over here, you have the template options, and as well, you can set this as your device launcher, and will pretty much give you this effect to your device. As you can see, very few, not much. And yeah, so over here, you have the Instagram tags, which you can use as well. They do give you Instagram tags based on specific things here: motivation, lifestyle. Nothing much. You also have the store option, which you can post on your story. You'd like to use these. And also you have the bio option, which you can use as well, which I discussed earlier. So to get Pro subscription, all you have to do is tap on the Pro icon on the top here. And as you can see here, the Pro subscription prices. And also they do give a 3-day free trial, which you can test out their application. So nothing much for that there. And in the settings option here, also have some features which can enable as it relates to this application. So if I tap on the plus icon here, and tap on that icon here, you pretty much will see other thumbnails or cool backgrounds for your keyboard, which you can use as well. So a lot of keyboard templates are things that you can use for a keyboard on this application. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Let us help you guys. Let's say guys, be sure to subscribe my channel, the notification bell, and see you guys in the next tutorial.